The 2026 Tata Nexon continues to shine as one of India's most loved compact SUVs, widely recognized for its top-class safety and eye-catching design that resonates strongly with modern Indian buyers. Over the years, Nexon has built a reputation that goes beyond numbers and features. It represents trust, protection, and progressive styling in a segment crowded with options. In 2026, Tata Motors has refined this winning formula even further, delivering a vehicle that feels contemporary, confident, and thoughtfully engineered for Indian roads and Indian families. Whether you are a first-time buyer, a young professional, or a family looking for peace of mind, the new Nexon makes a compelling case by blending safety leadership with everyday practicality. At first glance, the 2026 Nexon commands attention with its bold and confident stance. Tata's evolved design language gives it a sharp, modern look while retaining the muscular proportions that SUV buyers admire. The front fascia looks assertive, with sleek LED lighting elements and a distinctive grille that adds character without being overdone. Clean body lines, sculpted panels, and stylish alloy wheels contribute to a balanced appearance that feels premium yet approachable. It's the kind of design that looks equally at home in busy city traffic and on open highways, appealing to younger buyers who value style as well as families who want a solid, dependable presence on the road. Step inside, and the Nexon immediately feels like a step forward in terms of quality and comfort. The cabin is thoughtfully designed, with improved materials, better fit and finish, and a layout that prioritizes ease of use. The dashboard features a large touchscreen infotainment system that supports seamless smartphone connectivity, making navigation, music, and calls effortless. A fully digital instrument cluster adds a modern touch, presenting driving information clearly and intuitively. Tata has also focused on comfort, offering supportive seats, ample legroom, and clever storage spaces that make daily commuting and longer journeys more relaxed. Rear passengers benefit from generous space and AC vents, a small but important detail for Indian summers. One of the strongest reasons behind Nexon's popularity is its unmatched focus on safety. The 2026 model proudly carries forward Tata's commitment to building some of the safest cars on Indian roads. With a high-strength body structure and advanced safety engineering, the Nexon has consistently set benchmarks in its segment. Multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, traction control, hill hold assist, and rear parking sensors come standard are widely available across variants. Higher trims further enhance safety with features like a 360-degree camera, blind spot monitoring, and advanced driver assistance systems designed to reduce driver fatigue and prevent accidents. For families, this emphasis on protection translates into genuine peace of mind, something that no feature list alone can replace. Under the hood, the 2026 Tata Nexon offers refined and efficient engine options that suit a wide range of driving needs. Buyers can choose between petrol and diesel variants, both tuned to deliver a balance of performance and fuel efficiency. The petrol engine feels smooth and responsive for city use, while the diesel option stands out with strong torque that makes highway driving and overtaking effortless. Transmission choices, including manual and automatic options, allow drivers to select what best suits their lifestyle. The Nexon's power delivery is calibrated for Indian conditions, ensuring comfortable acceleration in traffic while remaining confident and stable at higher speeds. Driving the Nexon is an experience that reflects careful engineering. The suspension is tuned to handle rough patches, speed breakers, and uneven surfaces without compromising comfort. This makes it particularly well suited for Indian roads, where conditions can change dramatically within short distances. The steering is light enough for easy maneuvering in crowded areas but offers enough feedback at higher speeds to inspire confidence. Overall, the Nexon feels planted and predictable, qualities that drivers quickly come to appreciate during daily use. Fuel efficiency remains an important consideration for Indian buyers, and the 2026 Nexon delivers competitive mileage figures that help keep running costs under control. Whether it's daily office commutes, school runs, or weekend getaways, the Nexon proves economical without feeling underpowered. Combined with Tata's growing service network and reasonable maintenance costs, ownership becomes more convenient and affordable over the long term. Another area where the Nexon excels is practicality. The boot space is generous enough for groceries, luggage, or weekend travel gear, making it suitable for both city life and family trips. The high seating position offers excellent visibility, which not only enhances driving confidence but also makes parking and navigating tight spaces easier. Small design details, like thoughtfully placed cup holders, charging ports, and storage compartments add up to a user-friendly experience that owners appreciate over time. Technology plays a significant role in the Nexon's appeal, especially for younger buyers who expect their car to feel connected and modern. The infotainment system supports voice commands, smartphone integration, and navigation features that simplify daily driving. Premium sound systems in higher variants elevate the in-car entertainment experience, while connected car features allow users to monitor vehicle status and receive alerts through their smartphones. These digital touches enhance convenience and align the Nexon with the expectations of today's tech-savvy audience. Pricing has always been one of Nexon's strengths, and the 2026 model continues to offer strong value across its range. With multiple variants available, buyers can choose a configuration that fits their budget without sacrificing essential features. From entry-level trims that focus on safety and reliability to top-end variants loaded with comfort and technology, the Nexon caters to a wide audience. This flexibility, combined with Tata's reputation for durability and safety, makes it an attractive option for both new buyers and those upgrading from smaller cars. Beyond specifications and features, the Nexon holds a special place in the Indian market because of the trust Tata Motors has built over the years. The brand's emphasis on safety, sustainability, and local manufacturing resonates strongly with Indian consumers. Nexon's success is not just about sales numbers, it's about how it has changed perceptions of what a compact SUV can offer. By proving that safety and design can coexist without compromise, the Nexon has influenced buyer expectations across the segment. Ownership experiences shared by Nexon drivers often highlight the car's reliability and solid build quality. Many appreciate how the vehicle ages gracefully, maintaining its performance and comfort even after years of use. The availability of service centers across cities and towns further adds to the confidence of ownership, ensuring that help is never too far away when needed. Resale value has also remained healthy, reflecting strong demand and trust in the model. In a market filled with options, the 2026 Tata Nexon stands out not by trying to be everything at once, but by excelling in areas that matter most to Indian buyers: safety, design, comfort, and value. It's a car that feels reassuring every time you step inside, stylish enough to turn heads, and practical enough to handle everyday challenges with ease. Whether you're navigating city streets, embarking on a family road trip, or simply enjoying the confidence of driving a well-built SUV, the Nexon delivers an experience that feels complete and dependable. For anyone searching for a compact SUV that prioritizes protection without sacrificing style, the 2026 Tata Nexon remains one of the smartest choices in India. It reflects how far the Indian automotive industry has come and sets a standard for what buyers should expect from modern vehicles. With its strong focus on safety and thoughtful design, the Nexon continues to earn its place as a favorite among Indian drivers, proving once again that when it comes to choosing a car, peace of mind and good design truly go hand in hand.